Yes, African redemption style, you know. Fear no way, African redemption.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you have a call at 2 a.m. I was actually looking for his number. I'm not sure if I even have his number here with